Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI. Today I'm going to show you an AI apps built by our entire team, custom tags, Automation Partners AI LLC, and you can buy these apps by getting into the products Lead Gen Z AI, and you can go through this and come over here, or you can directly go with lead.automationpartners.ai, and you can come over here, do the registration. Is completely free. You can get inside, see everything, but you can't use until you purchase any plan. So it's quite easy, and it's gonna say goodbye to the init, and it's gonna say goodbye to the make.com and all these 100 apps that you need to subscribe, and you need to pay every single month. It can be go over like $12,000, $50,000. Billing to your virtual assistants. Even after doing all these things, there will be a mistakes, special characters comes in, weird things happen, and sometimes it replaces your valuable employees, but later on you find out suing him was the biggest mistake, because yeah, AI make mistakes no matter what you do. You just take and use our own data. So I'm not against the AI. These apps also made by AI, but why should you use this instead of make.com and all this stuff? It's gonna save you lots of money. It's just $59 monthly. It's gonna kick out all the costs that you have. It's a B2B, so if you're a business, no matter how big business you are, you can run all these things alone. Okay, so before we started, we need to tell you, you have to do the registration, and it's a no skill, no brainer. I mean, you don't need any IQ. You just follow these videos or the blog where we instruct everything, and you're ready to go. Okay, and it will send professionally, because these entire apps built by following instruction and strategy of a person who was successfully able to make six-figure income portfolio for his customers around Canada, USA, and UK. He was also successfully able to rank some YouTube businesses, channels, so many things. So it's not like non-creditable stuff. If you really think it's not gonna help you, we have no problem. Just leave us comment, leave us information, or mail us that we see this. We will immediately gonna fix it. We're not gonna wait like other companies, like week after week to fix it. We will immediately gonna try our best to fix it in 24 hours, because time is very important for you. We know that, and we are 5 and 6 years experienced people. We know all this stuff. We are not kind of freelancer or something like this, who will do some part-time jobs so he can cover up his student loan and all the stuff. We live, survive, and eat with this. We never give any gaps, so we know 10 times better than this. So enough talking, let's do some actions. Let's go to the registrations, and you can see there will be a registration just like other apps does, and you are flexible to give your phone numbers and address, so our any person can reach you out. We have our company is US based, so if you want to meet with our owners or sales or marketing, they can meet with you, no problem. So you need to provide all these things. If you already registered, you already gonna know that immediately, not gonna waste your any time. And after doing the registration successfully, you can come over here, put your mails and passwords, and then get login. If you are not registered successfully, there will be not a check mark. Okay, so it's done. So I'm gonna go over there, and then you can see a scrapping leads, scrappings, or you can also see the LinkedIn's. So LinkedIn on the beta modes, and you can see if you want to send them mails after scrapping, you need to turn it on. Okay. More detailed information is given on the help sections, and you can do anything, but you can see everything until you buy the subscriptions. And as I say, this is way more less than anything. I saw some business owners pay 12,000, 15,000 to just by setting a make.com and it ends to 100 app subscriptions and all this stuff. It's a total waste of money. Okay, so this cover up with $59. You don't need, it's not going to replace your email marketers, all the stuff and blogs. It will also going to help you how you need to do the marketing more better and standard way. Okay, and you can buy from PayPal and Stripe. I recommend you to pay through Stripe because it's faster than PayPal. And then after payments, you need to go to the settings and you need to fill up all this stuff. Even if you have a compliance issues, your solar companies or FICA tax companies, a mortgage, realtors, you have a health insurance company, any kind of companies that follow the compliance, they doesn't want to say anything in the businesses, I mean in the mailings, in the blogging, nothing else, then you can add over here. Okay, you can mention all the compliance that I can't say or I can't say in the email marketings that I'm gonna send, and our Leadgenzy AI will understand your business and it will launch the email marketing blogging that way. Okay, in future we have amazing roadmaps. So you might gonna think like you have a blog and SEO and all this stuff with $59. Why? Because it's too good to be true. It's so much affordable. So because even if you buy this, we are not making so much any profits. We are not making any profit even if you turn it on, this 2 cents per mails, because but if you buy this plan, it will help us to enhance these apps. It's a futuristic apps. It have some features that no billion-million dollar apps have. Even the Apple Apollo.io, it doesn't have, sorry for pronunciations wrong, Apollo.io, Ninja Candles, all these things. And you might gonna heard about many big companies that charge $1,500 and some charge $3 per leads. They doesn't provide that much what our can do. And you also saw some SaaS apps that charge you for $97, $500, $67, $97. This is way more less because we can't say beta version because it's already ready, you can use, there is no issues. But if you find any bugs, anything else, you can mail us. There is a mail mentioned over there and you can mail us and we will immediately gonna focus on those and fix those. We are not gonna waste like 2 weeks or 3 weeks like other app company does. We have 10 times better support teams, just like Gendex. Okay, you know about the Gendex is the world #1 support team. So I'm not gonna say we're the best, but we are trying our best to become a best of the best. So because this is our surviving source and we have to do the best to stay survive with this. So this is really appreciable. If you buy these apps, whether you face some error or something else, you can mail us, we will immediately gonna fix it. And if you buy this over and over, it will help us to enhance and make a great apps. You say American company, it will be proud for America to get us something really futuristic, autonomous AI built apps that you don't need to do anything. Just set up once, then forget everything. So I said many things. You can move backwards and read or slow down the videos to understand what I said. Sorry if I speak fast, but let's go to the other things. So when I go to the settings, I need to set up all this stuff, and for security purpose I just hide all the informations. And as I said, you need to add the compliance and how you can get a Google Search Console key. So you need to follow some informations and all this stuff. You need to follow this logo, I mean these blogs. There everything is given as you need to know. First of all, you need to create a Google Search Console keys with payment setups and what you need to set up over there, what you need to restrict it. Everything is given over there. So it takes maximum 30 minutes. If you understand the English, it will take maximum 30 minutes to 45 minutes to set that up. if you were good in AI, you can just tell your ChatGPT or anyone, like, hey, Claude, I'm just taking the screenshot. I need to fill up these things, and this is my business. Just help me out with this all informations. And only thing you need to work with this is Gemini API keys. You can get by going to your Gemini settings, and you can also get from your Google Cloud Console. It's also shown over here how you can get a Gemini keys, and also there is a playlist and others where you can read how to do that. You can go to the back and top and back to blog, or you can say you can go to the blog directly and just type blog.automationpartners.ai. You can go over there and you can see the Legends AI Mix Pro, and you can go there and you can see all the tutorials you need to follow. So it doesn't take maximum 30 minutes. If you follow one by one, it will give you entire informations and you can set that up. And still, if you get issues, you can mail us support@automationpartners.ai that I am struggling with the setups. Please help us. We might gonna need a Google's Cloud Console access to your account. We might gonna need access to your Gemini account to generate these keys in Google, which will take maximum 5 minutes maximum to do that after giving us access. So we will do rest of it for you. And yeah, there will be small charge. It's very affordable charge. It's not gonna make us profit yet because we also need to pay that person to do that, and this all our compliance with our companies, our employees. So you can safely believe that anything happened to you, company will be responsible and our employee is responsible. They were not from outsider fibers do anything stupid, and we can chase them, get them. Now I hope nothing gonna happen like this, but I know I saw many businesses come to me after facing this kind of issues. You can come to us before they face different kind of issues. They get bluffed by other previous service providers, and we help them. We try to work with them, just like as too good to be true. Okay, so after set that up, you can search over here. I'm not going to do this because I need to show you the Gemini, Google Search Console, Google Cloud Console payment setups and API credential setups. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go with the blogs because this is the blog. Since they're highly SEO optimized, you don't need to worry about am I gonna rank or not. Okay, so let's say you're an entrepreneur, you have no idea about the blogs. You can just open up a blog. You can buy one of our plans, which is all-in-one AI SaaS plan, which might be gonna cost you some money, and the setup fees if you want to just sit and sleep, and we do all of this for you. Once on time setup fees and monthly cost, maintenance cost. You can buy this and you can get a websites, blog sites where you can post the blog. And if you click on a generate, I'm not going to do anything. It will understand my business, then it will generate that blog. Every day it will generate, every day, not every day, every time it will generate the blogs and the different blogs in infinite blogs. It's not going to charge you per usage cost, so you don't need to even worry about the images. It will give you images, all the stuff that you need to get. So you just copy and paste over there and you're done and you're ready to go. If you find any issues with this review blog and any issues, you can hit us and you can mail us, you can talk with us. We will fix immediately. We will not waste your time. We're not gonna do any stupid things like 2 weeks, 3 weeks to fix it. Yeah, if it is very important, let's say Gemini came with the new versions, okay, ChatGPT came for new versions, so we need to work like a week. And yeah, if you want fast delivery like this to build your dream AI apps, or you want to be an AI app founder, you have a lot of money and mindset to build your AI app founders, become an AI app founder, and you believe if you build that you will be millionaire like others, then we are ready to help you. Just keep in mind, more faster you want to make the apps live, more money we need, because it's a very clear cut, we are very transparent, more employees, more developers gonna afford over there. So you need to keep a mindset like this. No developers agency gonna say these things. They will say, yeah, we can do this, we can do that. Yeah, later on you might gonna face like, yeah, developing is taking more than what it was supposed to do, and you fail to pay them, and there should be a contract to make a fair contract for you or for us. Because look, I just know you. If I next day see you on as my neighbor, if I say to you hi, you will say hi, it's fine. But if I don't do the contract and business go something like very worst, and what will happen? Next day you will be my neighbor and I say hi, you will say something like yelling me or yapping on me, yelling, and you will not even look at me. You might get angry and aggressive on me. So because why? Because we know for a while, and we know we have a bad relationship now. And I saw many software agency posting all day that they was bankrupt, or they was totally destroyed by clients, or client totally destroyed by agency. So we are very professional. We are not gonna think about this worst thing, and you don't need to be about need to scare about these things. It's just a simple contract that everybody does. Okay, you're gonna make $1 billion, $1 million by building these apps. You have to have a mindset and guts to do that. Like when you do the drop shipping or e-commerce store business, you spend couple of grants by thinking that you will be success. Some people get success, some people fall. So you have to have a guts and mindset to do that. Okay, no matter you build AI apps, you buy our products, you start a new startups or business, you need a mindset or whatever it is. You have to accept the realities that nobody tell, because everybody think that if I tell about the negative things, no matter you're a millionaire or billionaire, you start getting scared. Okay, but it's a red flag for your next success. Okay, so you have to be mind strong, mindset, all this stuff. So let's generate the SEO reports. So this is not a normal SEO just like you get on other SEO audits. It's also give you structural HTML based and code based SEO audit report. Means if you're a developer and you're thinking like, I built everything well, I did on page SEO, I did everything, okay, when I used whatever it is, okay, but the customer is saying, keep saying sorry, their website is not ranking. So why it's happening? Because you don't know what is happening on the backends. So if I continue the content analysis, I will understand that this content on page SEO is missing. This is the meta tags, all this stuff is missing. So in the backends and all this stuff, we can fix it up just by seeing this enhanced detail informations. So it's not only showing you what's the problem, it's also showing you what you could do to make it better. Okay, for example, critical meta tag issues. Okay, and it say this is the issues and this is the impact. You can fix what is the solution. So you don't need to go somewhere, hire somebody SEO experts. I am also SEO expert. My life, my journey in this internet industry started with SEO, and I learned from Chess Rainers. Chess Rainers is a 6-figure income now entrepreneur. He have Lambo and so many things now. He's way more rich. I mean, I saw him from the beginning, from his garage to how to become successful. So also James Jernigan, if you know, he's a great person. Both of them are a great person. No discriminations, awesome guys, and they always not only talk about work, they also talk about the philosophy, ethicalities, and realities. Which means if you want somebody to hire that, by knowing that he's ethical, loyal, these people was working from the beginning like this, and I really was lucky to see some of their tutorials and work with them and take help from them, follow from them, and did more. Okay, so this is all about. And after that, if you go to the settings, uh, you want to do more information put over there, it will give you more accuracy. Okay, and you also need the SMTP settings. You can buy any SMTP, and when you buy any domain company like Google Cloud, I mean Cloudflares or Google or any companies, I'm not gonna do sponsor. I'm not sponsored with them. I'm just telling you so you can get an idea. So you can use those, and you can get the email ID, password, SMTP server, securities, SMTP port, sender name, test mail. Make sure the sender name in your mail settings and here same. So everything what there should be put over here, and you're supposed to get a SMTP server, security, SMTP ports, and all these things are given over here. You don't need to worry with the image, with videos, everything, end by end. Okay, there's nothing changed, and this is already modified with 3.1. So you don't need to worry and enhance and optimize. So you might not gonna see any mistakes and latency or anything else. And this is your balance that you need to top up sometimes if you like to mail them. So these apps very popular for affiliate marketers because there is an option to add your clickbank or DG stores or all kind of JVU affiliate links or any kind of businesses affiliate links. We also have affiliate marketing systems. Okay, we give a good amount of traffics. Good amount of traffics. Also, we give lots of services. You can get lots of commissions. If you're a good sellers, you might gonna make like 100,000 a month if you make good sales. So if I add this, it will be auto connected with my mail. Makes sense? So your one business can use one account. Now you have too many businesses, you have to use other accounts. That's the problem. And later on we are heading to the white label and other stuff, enhancing more, and you might gonna get a blog sites and websites, all will be maintained by AI. You don't need to go a websites and type about your business that this is my niche, this is stuff, and website will be built. Website will build by itself when you finish with the settings. Okay, so this is all about. I hope you get a great day by using LeadGenZ, and make sure you follow this blog and set up all this stuff. And still, if it not work, communicate with us. We are happy to help you, no problem. And stay with Automation Partners AI LLC to enjoy the new futuristic AI apps that nobody built. You can build these apps by AI. You can build these entire apps, security, all the stuff using AI, not even high-end developers. Okay, maybe you can build, but we are the pioneer, and if you try to build, it might gonna take you a very very long time. Okay, so this is all about. I hope you will enjoy after buying this, and it will really gonna help us to enhance these apps, make America great, with the new futuristic apps, because it's an American products, American companies. The owner is also Americans, and we are working for future AI technology. So have a great day and stay safe. Bye.